쿠킹 클래스.
Yeah, this morning. What's your name? Bok Wilson.
엥?
Is your name?
No.
Maybe another school.
뭐라고? 다른. 아. 이거야. 아 그때 거기서 과일 쟁여온 거지 않아? 맞아. 우리 그때도 이렇게 생겼었다. 저거.
And then talk about some seasoning and spice later.
우왕.
You guys know that one, guys?
줄이야 대박.
Good. Have you tried before?
해봤거든. 이거 1,200원인가 1,300원 아니야? 난 이거 그린 커리. 근데 얘도 맛있겠다. 그치? 여기 메뉴가 다르네. 응. 이 중에 고르는 것 같아요.
Aroma. Okay, and spicy, creamy, and salty for the green curry. It's pretty good. And next one, red. This one. Kanji.
그린 커리.
Chili jam.
칠리잼. 이거 다 먹어보고. 아 뭔지 알 것 같아. 중국 소스.
I'll leave it first. Medium. If your stomach is hurt or something. And we have the other one. This one. This one we're gonna add for curry paste today. Okay, I give you a hint.
생각만 날 것 같아.
Kick you, okay? Just kick. 있어? Okay, let's try first one. Like soy sauce. This one we can add 2 spoons. First one into the bowl. Garlic, chili, onion.
안 나오지?
Mix with your sauce. Okay. Okay, like a kimbap, easy, right? Okay, like this. And then you grab a corner and roll. Rolling on the river. Roll to the middle like this. And nick your finger. To side like this. Okay. And left side and right side. Okay, come into the middle. Like this. And roll one more time.
종이접기.
And last one. Okay. Egg. Spread the top. And then. Roll. Easy? I give you a wrapper, guys.
부드러운 게 바다. 네.
Side up. Pad Thai garlic onion in. Pad Thai garlic onion in. Garlic onion in. Chicken in, chicken in, chicken in, chicken in, chicken in, chicken in. Let's go. Working?
글로브죠?
Don't worry, guys. Keep going, keep going. Don't get scared. Garlic onion chili. Garlic onion chili. Garlic onion chili. Going, keep going. And stir, take in and stir. Take in and stir. Put the bowl in the basket in oil. Yes, the bowl in the basket in. Dry. For you all of you. Nice one.
두개 넣었어?
perfectly. Really well done. The way that
난 내게 더 맛있긴 하다.
You can take photo because before and after look very different. You have this one. You have this one.
previous gezeigt.
Fighting, no now, fighting.
Am Anfang musste einmal
Careful your eyes.
어릴 때 꽃 깎아서 양 만드는 놀이 같아.
Okay, now chicken in, chicken in. Chicken in. Chicken in, chicken in. Okay, now half milk in. Half milk. Half milk in, half milk in, half milk in. Half milk in, half milk.
Oh, that's all. You put all in. More spicy. Oh, no. It's too spicy?
Into the bowl. May sayo?
네.
Okay, put into the bowl. There you go. This is a wok. Wok.
Wok?
Vlog.
아, 브이로그.
Ah, you are influencer? Influencer.
인플루엔서. 유튜브.
YouTuber? YouTuber? There you go. I'm gonna follow. YouTuber? She's YouTuber, okay? Follow her. What is your channel?
맛있겠다.
Okay, like this, And chop two times, okay? Okay, 2 times. 1, 2, and all lemongrass into your pot. Okay. Let's go. spicy.
Yeah. So, wow.
Okay, next, shrimp in. Shrimp in. Thank you, shrimp in. That's my chili.
Take off your food and cutting board back to table.
동양꿍. 아, 새우 맛있겠다.
Sour? Let me try.
이게 똠양꿍인 거야? 먹어볼래?
Yes, beware.
소리가 진짜 맛있는데.